Okay, we're now inside the official one bedroom, and there's the door. So we've just walked in, and it just walks right into the kitchen here. So there's a dark wood floor that's here, and I wanted to just show you just kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna actually go more towards the middle so you can see it from a little farther and get the perspective. But it's got a great area with bar stools. That's going to be a lot of space to cook or to have guests. So it's kind of island-ish in a way, and beautiful sink, a lot of space for dishes or whatever you need to do. And then of course you've got that whirlpool, refrigerator, stove, and ample space, I believe, for storage. So it's nice. If you see over there, it's still got that same loft feel. And one thing I didn't capture over here is you do have stackable washer and dryers. So that's in all units that are here. So now we're in the living section and living room, and it all flows together. So I want you to just see what it looks like. And it's a great feel. And there's your balcony. Again, you've got the floor to ceiling windows that are very nice. So let's take another look outside just real quick, just so you can see it. Great feel. So you want that high-rise apartment? This is it. You got a great high-rise apartment going on right here, and you've got enough space for one, and I think two chairs, and so you'd have ample space and have a great feel. Okay, so right next to the living room is the bedroom. So we're gonna go into that and take a look at it. This looks like a queen, I believe. And so you've got a queen bed in here, and there's some closet space there. And then we're gonna go into the bathroom. The bathroom is, well, you can see it. So there's a walk-in shower, I want you to notice too, so that's there. And then it goes right back into the living dining area. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Skyhouse one bedroom. And the next thing we do is amenities.